Is your product development process taking too long? Are you struggling to find areas where you can effectively improve efficiency without affecting quality? Integrated simulation could be the key to unlocking this challenge and enable you to cut your analysis time in half. One area of engineering analysis and simulation that is in desperate need of process improvement is the area of multiphysics and multidiscipline analysis. All too easily, engineers are drawn into a complex world where they need to manually build multiple versions of the same model within separate tools with multiple user interfaces just to analyze the effect of different physics or performance criteria. Using multiple analysis products adds cost and complexity in many areas. First, multiple analysis products each have their own user interface and workflows, often requiring specialists in that system. In addition, separate training and purchasing activities may be required. Compounding these problems, multiple analysis products don't always interact well together. Incompatible models and manual file transfers are time-consuming and error-prone, sometimes preventing the multidiscipline studies necessary to understand what is really going on with your product. Integrating multiple solver and analysis technologies into one environment lowers costs and addresses many of the issues that have traditionally restrained all but the largest companies. What differentiates NX in this area is the integration beyond analysis to design and manufacturing. You can leverage a single master model and you are in total control of how you update your design and analysis in a multi-physics world. NX delivers breadth and depth of analysis capability, and its advanced modeling environment sits at the heart of a wide range of solver technology. From this integrated environment, NX delivers a mix of applications ranging from composite design, full dynamic motion analysis with options to integrate control systems, one of the most advanced thermal solutions available, integrated fluid flow or CFD capabilities, all the way through FE and test correlation. With NX, you can improve your analysis processes by replacing multiple disconnected applications with a single integrated CAE solution with one user interface. Now, let's look at some brief examples showing the integrated solutions in action. Engineers recognize that using multiple systems in their work can be time-consuming and error-prone. NX can solve all of these problems in a single environment, increasing speed and reducing errors. Here, we wish to use the forces generated by the mechanical system as the flap deploys to study the structural integrity of the individual components. Analysis models created in one assembly arrangement can be repositioned to represent other operating conditions like extended flaps. Airflow around the flaps clearly shows the lift being generated. However, arrow plots may be more interesting to look at when investigating turbulence. Finally, aerodynamic pressures are mapped onto the control surfaces to help determine structural integrity of the wing structure for different flap conditions. Understanding strut damping and stiffness is critical for the design of landing gear because it enables you to determine the true landing forces. Here, a control system is integrated with NX's motion capability to enable each element of the system to be analyzed and optimized, both in deployment and landing. NX provides a common scalable simulation environment for designers and analysts, dramatically enhancing productivity and enabling more design alternatives to be evaluated. Simulations can include full interaction with air inside the automotive switch box you see here. NX even enables you to study vibration, dust, and condensation issues around entry points. Key components in this automotive switch box are sensitive to temperature, requiring designers to review the flow of air under peak operating conditions. Air circulation at the vent can be improved to avoid condensation becoming a long-term warranty problem. NX enables you to import PCB layouts and properties from ECAD applications. As you can see, the main board is supported by a large heatsink designed to help the component survive vibration and the impact of any crash. Here we see the strains computed at the component connections during a crash simulation. Engineers can easily identify if problem areas need further study. Finally, we are looking at the connectors where the power connects to the PCB. Again, another problem area in the original design. NX is the only system that allows engineers to leverage a single model to evaluate designs against all major failure modes in electromechanical design. The team is able to deliver results faster by leveraging work that has already been done, instead of having to rebuild models each time. NX has been developed specifically to solve these types of problems and enable the rapid creation of models using familiar terminology. Benjamin Moule understands the productivity gains from integrated analysis extremely well. Known for his work on America's Cup contenders, he takes pleasure in designing yachts that set records. Racing boat design is a cyclic process that requires time for designers to think and get input from sailors. With NX, Benjamin Moule can more quickly compare different design alternatives. He finds that a common environment enables him to rapidly review CFD problems as well as dynamic motion, linear, or nonlinear structural issues. As a result, Benjamin can concentrate more on the designs and analysis of potential solutions which lead to more innovative designs. Turn to NX Lifecycle Simulation for your multi-physics engineering analysis problems and cut your analysis time in half. And thank you for watching this presentation.